Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of McGill's View. And today we're going to be talking about Tesla, what is going with Tesla, what you need to know, what are some support and resistance that you need to keep an eye on so you can trade Tesla successfully. Stay tuned. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video. All right, guys, let's go right to it. Let's open up this Tesla. All right, and let's go ahead and start drawing some trend lines here on Tesla. As you can see, we are in a downtrend here on Tesla. Let's draw some support and resistance really quick and what you need to keep an eye on. So we have some support areas right there and right here. So it seems, all right, and we're below all the 200 EMA and the 15 EMA, simple and exponential. As you can see here, 579 is what the 200 EMA is. All right, we closed that today 563, so we're right below it, and so we're below the 200. MACD, guys, is on the negative on the 4-hour. This is the daily chart. Okay, it looks like we're coming to some support area here, so we could well bounce here. We see the RSI on the daily also coming to the oversold territory. Let's go ahead and move to the 4-hour and see how things are looking in the 4-hour. Okay, so as you can see, all right, last time we hit the support area, we bounced up. Okay, we bounced up really nice. So coming tomorrow, guys, we could have some upside potential on Tesla. And you know, last time we bounced all the way up to about 714. You know, it went up there. So we could we could bounce, guys, around this side. You could see the MACD wants to curl up here on the 4-hour. So it's something to keep an eye on for tomorrow and Friday as the rest of the week progresses. So Tesla looking for a bounce around this areas. Now, if we do break through this 540, guys, it's crucial. The next stop that we can see here, we have a bounce, will be around this 500 area. Now, if you are getting Tesla for long term, these are some great dip areas around this. Anything below 600, I think it's great dip areas for you to load for your long term portfolio. But if you're day trading and if you're getting calls, okay, it seems like we've hit right on the support area and we're ready for a bounce up. Okay, the markets have been weak lately. SPY has been coming down, but let's see what happens. Okay, tomorrow and coming, as you can see, we in the morning we hit that 545 level, and we didn't look back the rest of the day. We climbed up all day, kind of side traded it for a little bit. Okay, if you look at the slower time frames, it was a little choppy, but overall it was uptrending. All right, so that's Tesla. That's how it's moving. If we go to the 50-minute, you can see the 50-minute was a little bit choppy, but overall held this nice uptrend. Okay, and if you could see the on the 15-minute, you see the MACD here. All right, we stay positive all most of the day here. At the end of the day, we wanted to curl down here a bit, but overall a great direction. I still think in the morning, all right, we might come bounce off this 550 and then keep going to the upside. So we'll see. Only time will tell if support is going to hold here. My only concern is MACD. All right, still not, getting close, like something like this. It's not getting close to crossing over. Okay, so that's a little bit of concerning. So if 542 doesn't hold, or this 540 area, we're going to come and test the 500s. So we'll see. We haven't had a single green candle since April 27th, guys. Just been downtrending and downtrending all the way till today. So if you're wondering what kind of candles I'm using the Heikin-Ashi candles. Okay, I just use them because I like to me, I can see the trend better, right, of where things are headed. So you're welcome to use them. If you're wondering how to put the Heiken candles, you go to style here on Thinkorswim, and instead of candle here, you switch it to Heiken. All right, so that's that. We did. I thought we were gonna have a little bit of support here on the 592. We couldn't. You could see the candle here. Tried to push above, and it couldn't, and we went back down. So, are we gonna find support here at 540? Today we did. I don't know about tomorrow. Keep a close eye on it. Let's see if we can get a green candle here soon on the daily. Once we get a green candle, you can see the momentum. We usually, keeps going to the upside. But we need to see that one first red candle. Let's go to the 4-hour. And let's go ahead and draw a trend here on the 4-hour. All right. Okay, right there. So if we do see some upside, okay, I think our first resistance, all right, that we're gonna hit, it's gonna be this 612 area. All right. So my target, if you're gonna go to the upside, my first target would be around the 600 area. Of course, the longer it takes to get there, this trend will come more down. So go ahead and extend the trend, and however many days it takes for us to hit that trend, that's where we're gonna hit. So keep a close eye on that trend. If we move to the upside, that is where we're gonna find some resistance. And if we cannot break it, we're gonna continue to the downside on the daily. So keep an eye on that resistance. Other than that, the direction is pretty clear on Tesla, guys. We are in a bearish momentum. You could see the MACD here. Look at this, guys. MACD as long as the MACD was on the negative side, we just continued to just drown. Of course, we had some days here, we had some weeks, but guess what happened? The MACD was still negative, right? We came down. Same thing here. Okay, we continued down until we saw, right, some upside momentum here. We saw a little bit of upside, and then again, we hit the resistance. We're coming back down, MACD cross, and we came to the downside. Now, you have to remember there's traders that only trade MACD, okay? So when MACD cross, that's when we get more volume coming into the stock market. You can see here, MACD, we traded as long as MACD was positive, the momentum stayed to the upside. So that's why it's really important to keep the MACD on watch so you can know where the momentum is heading. All right, so tomorrow, I'm going to be watching carefully that 540 area. If we could stay above, okay, what we closed at today, then we could see, a bounce up to the $600 range. That's what I'm thinking. That's what the technical show me. So keep an eye on that we can break above those levels. We can also draw another trend around this area right here. And that's another area of resistance in the hour that we're going to hit about 590. We break 590, we're going to come and test that 600, 610. But I really think if we have momentum to the upside, we should break this. No problem. So that's that for Tesla, guys. I hope you found this useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe so I can continue making this technical analysis on Tesla. And if you want me to cover another EV sector, let me know, whether it be NEO, FSR, whatever you want me to cover. Go ahead and put it on the comments. Let me know what other EV sector you want me to do technical analysis on, and I will do it. Again, thank you so much for tuning in. That's it for Tesla, plain simple. I give you some support levels, some resistance, what you need to be watching, and that's all there is, guys. It's not rocket science. You just keep it simple. Don't put too many lines, and EMAs and everything on your chart, because they'll give you analysis paralysis. You're not gonna know what you do. Just keep it simple with some trend lines, MACD and RSI, and it should tell you everything. I forgot to check. Let's go back. Did I? Let's go and see if we see any RSI divergence. No. I thought maybe there was going to be an RSI divergence where it makes a new low, but the RSI makes a lower high. But no, it's everything. We did have this trend right here. Let me show you real quick. Oh, why not my? I can't draw. Oh, there you go. Okay, we did have this trend up here, and it finally broke. All right, that's why we had that dip right here. But it looks like we crossed above it, and now we're holding support there in that area. So we should hit that 586. I think we continue momentum tomorrow. That's the target that we want to see hit. So other than that, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and share the video with other people that you might know that might be interested in trading Tesla. And leave me a comment. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios.